In this video I'm going to show you how to change who can message you on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook Messenger app and then hit at your profile picture right there at the top left. It gives us a bunch of different options, but you have to enter here in Privacy and there tap at Message Delivery. Here's the place where you can set up message delivery options, and there you got actually 6 categories of persons. Facebook sorted that person at categories, and the first is people with your phone number. You can enter at that category and switch the way you will get requests from that category of people. It can be chats, it can be message requests, or you even can select don't receive requests from that category of people. And the same thing you can set up for friends of friends on Facebook, accounts you follow or have chat to on Instagram, your followers on Instagram, and others on Facebook and others on Instagram. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.